How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from the USA.
What is your job?
I am a teacher.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Are you tall?
No, I'm short.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Are you busy now?
Yes, I'm busy.
What is your email address?
It's anna@mail.com.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
What is your address?
I live at 25 Green Street, New York.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on March 10th. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What is your favorite drink?
What is your favorite number?
My favorite number is 7.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Frozen.
What is your favorite hobby?
I like reading books.
What is your favorite sport?
I like swimming.
What is your favorite animal?
I like cats.
Do you have a nickname?
Yes, my friends call me Jack.
Are you a student or a worker?
I'm a teacher.
Where do you work or study?
I work at a school in New York.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Lisa.
Where does your friend live?
She lives in my neighborhood.
Do you go out with friends?
Yes, we go out on Saturdays.
Do you call your friends every day?
Not every day, but often.
Do your friends speak English?
Some of them do.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I do.
Is your family big?
Yes, it is.
Do you help your parents?
Yes, I help at home.
Do your siblings study?
Yes, they go to school.
Do you have a cousin?
Yes, I have many cousins.
Is your family important to you?
Yes, very important.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What is your father's name?
His name is John.
What does your mother do?
She is a nurse.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do.
Do you have grandparents?
Yes, I have 2 grandmothers.
Do you visit your family often?
Yes, every weekend.
Yes, every weekend.
Yes, very much.
Are your parents kind?
Yes, they are. What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m.
Do you eat lunch at home?
No, I eat at work.
What do you do after work?
I relax and watch TV.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I do.
Do you take a shower at night?
Yes, I take a shower before bed.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10:30 p.m. Do you clean your house? Yes, every weekend. What time do you get up on weekends? I get up at 8 a.m. Do you make your bed in the morning? Yes, I always do. Do you work on Saturdays? No, I don't. Do you go to the gym? Yes, twice a week. Do you cook on weekends? Yes, I cook dinner for my family. What do you do on Sunday? I relax and visit my family. Do you go shopping? Yes, on Saturdays. Do you watch movies on weekends? Yes, sometimes in the evening. Do you check your phone in the morning? Yes, I do. Do you listen to music? Yes, every day. Do you read books at night? Yes, before I sleep.
Do you live in a city or village? I live in a city. Is your city big? Yes, it is. What is your favorite place? I like the park. Do you go to the library? Yes, sometimes. Do you go to the bank? Yes, to take money. How do you go to school or work? I go by bus. Do you have a car? No, I don't. Do you walk to work? Yes, I do. Do you take the train?
No, not often.
Is the bus fast?
No, it is slow.
Do you live in a house or apartment?
I live in an apartment.
How many rooms are in your home?
There are 4 rooms.
Is your home big or small?
It is small.
Do you have a kitchen?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a garden?
No, I don't.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, every day.
Do you watch TV at home?
Yes, in the evening.
Do you eat with your family?
Yes, we eat together.
Do you have a pet at home?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you like your home?
Yes, I love it.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you ride a bike?
No, I can't.
Can you drive a car?
No, not yet.
Can you dance?
A little bit.
Can you play the guitar?
No, I can't, but I want to learn.
Can you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Can you draw?
Yes, I like drawing.
Can you cook?
Yes, very well.
Can you sing?
No, I can't.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, especially comedies.
Do you like cold weather?
No, I don't.
Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I love them.
Do you like going to school?
Yes, I do.
Do you like working?
Yes, I like my job.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, every day.
Do you use your phone a lot? Yes, I use it every day. Do you text your friends? Yes, we text every day. Do you use social media? Yes, I use Facebook and Instagram. Do you sleep early? Yes, I do. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 p.m. Do you wake up early? Yes, around 6:30 a.m. Is it cold today? Yes, very cold. Do you like rainy days? No, I don't. Do you like snow? Yes, I do. Do you wear a coat in winter? Yes, I always wear a warm coat. What's your favorite season? My favorite season is winter. Why do you like winter? Because I love snow and hot chocolate. Do you like summer? Yes, but sometimes it's too hot.
Are you a student or a worker? I am a teacher. Where do you work or study? I work at a school in New York. Do you like your job? Yes, I do. Do you have many colleagues? Yes, about 15. Do you get along with them? Yes, very well. Do you work in a team? Yes, with 5 people. Do you have deadlines? Yes, often. Is your job stressful? Sometimes. Do you enjoy your tasks? Yes, mostly. Do you have a morning break? Yes, at 11. How long is it? 15 minutes. What do you do? I drink tea and chat.
Do you bring snacks to work?
Sometimes.
Do you go outside during your break?
Rarely in the morning.
Do you check your phone at work?
Yes, briefly.
Do you talk to colleagues during breaks?
Yes, we chat.
Do you rest your eyes from the computer?
Yes, I look away from the screen.
Does the break help you feel better?
Yes, very much.
What time is lunch?
At 1.
How long is your lunch break?
1 hour.
Where do you eat lunch?
In the cafeteria.
Do you bring food from home?
Sometimes.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
Salad and soup.
Do you eat with colleagues?
Yes, with 2 friends.
Do you buy lunch?
Yes, usually.
How much does it cost?
About 8 euros.
Do you drink water at lunch?
Yes, always.
How do you get home?
By metro.
Is it crowded in the evening?
Yes, quite crowded.
What do you do on the way?
I read or listen to music.
What time do you arrive home?
At 5:30.
Are you tired?
Yes, usually.
Is anyone home when you arrive?
Yes, my husband and children.
Do they greet you?
Yes, always.
Do you change your clothes?
Yes, into comfortable ones.
Do you rest a little?
Yes, for a few minutes.
Do you check on the children?
Yes, I ask about their day.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, most days.
What time do you start?
At 6.
Does your husband help?
Yes, he helps me.
What do you cook today?
Chicken with vegetables.
How long does it take?
About 40 minutes.
Do you use recipes sometimes?
Yes, I find recipes on the internet.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do your children help with dinner?
Sometimes they set the table.
Does your kitchen have everything you need?
Yes, it does.
What time do you have dinner?
At 7.
Where do you eat?
In the dining room.
Do you eat together as a family?
Yes, always.
What do you talk about?
About our day.
Do your children eat vegetables?
Yes, they do.
What do they drink?
Water or juice.
Sometimes fruit or yogurt.
How long is dinner?
About 30 minutes.
Who clears the table?
The children help.
Who washes the dishes?
My husband washes them.
Excuse me, please?
Yes. How can I help you?
This soup is not mine.
Oh, I'm so sorry. What seems to be wrong?
I ordered chicken soup, but this is seafood soup.
Let me take a look. Oh, you're right. That's seafood soup.
Yes, and I don't eat seafood.
I understand. I'll take it back right away.
Thank you. Please bring the chicken soup I ordered.
Of course. I'll tell a chef right now. Do you want to keep the salad while you wait?
Yes, that's fine. I'll start with that.
Thank you for waiting. Your soup will be ready soon.
No problem. Mistakes happen.
Would you like more water?
Yes, please.
Here you go. I'll bring your soup soon.
Thank you.
Here's your chicken soup. It's hot.
Perfect. This one looks right.
I'm sorry about the mix-up.
It's okay. You were very nice.
Thank you. Enjoy your meal.
Afternoon.
Hello, where would you like to go?
To the Green Hotel, please.
Sure, please fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you. How long will it take?
About 15 minutes, maybe 20 with traffic.
That's okay. I'm not in a hurry.
All right, the weather is nice today.
Yes, it is. I hope the traffic is not too bad.
We'll see. It's usually busy around this time.
Excuse me, this street looks different.
Yes, I took another way. There's a big traffic jam on Main Street.
Oh, really? Will this way be longer?
A little bit, but it's faster now.
I just hope the taxi fare doesn't go too high.
Don't worry, I won't charge extra.
Oh, that's very kind of you.
It's fine. I want you to arrive safely and on time.
Thank you. You know the city very well.
Yes, I've been driving for 10 years.
Wow, that's a long time. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I meet new people every day.
That sounds nice. Here we are, the Green Hotel.
Great, thank you. How much is it?
It's $10, same as usual, no extra charge.
Really? Even with the longer way?
Yes, no problem. It's not your fault.
That's very nice of you. Keep the change.
Thank you very much.
Have a great evening.
You too. Excuse me, please.
Yes, how can I help you?
I think there's a problem with my food.
Oh, I'm sorry. What seems to be the problem?
I just started eating and I found peanuts in this dish.
Yes, it has peanut sauce.
Is something wrong?
Oh, no, I'm allergic to peanuts. I can't eat this.
Oh, I didn't know that. I'm really sorry.
That's okay, but I can't take the risk.
Of course. Would you like to change your dish?
Yes, please. Can I get the chicken salad instead?
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
Thank you. I hope it doesn't have peanuts.
No, it doesn't. I'll also tell the chef to be careful.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome. Your health is important to us.
I really appreciate that.
No problem. I'm happy to fix it for you.
I'll be more careful next time when ordering.
That's a good idea. Food allergies are serious.
Yes, they are. Thank you again.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Wow, this tastes amazing.
Really? I'm glad you like it.
It's so good. What is it called?
It's my homemade chicken pasta.
It's delicious. The sauce is perfect.
Thank you. I made it with tomatoes and cream.
It tastes better than in a restaurant.
Oh, stop. You're just being nice.
No, I'm serious. It's really, really good.
I'm happy to hear that. I cooked all morning.
You did a great job. Can I have the recipe?
Sure. It's actually very simple.
Really? What do I need?
You need chicken, pasta, garlic, onion, tomato sauce, and cream.
That sounds simple enough.
Yes, and don't forget a little salt and pepper.
Got it. I'll try it this weekend.
I can help you if you want.
That would be fine. We can cook together.
Good idea. You'll see. It's easy once you start.
Thanks for sharing your secret recipe.
You're welcome. Just promise to save me a plate.
Deal. You're the